And ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? I got, again, you can email questions to Kieno Thomas, THOMAS at gmail.com, subject math. And, you know, make sure you put math in the subject so I know it's related to the YouTube channel. Now, there was a question I received in the email, and it was asking me, well, what about teen numbers? And I said, okay, no problem, we can do that. And it's very simple. Same way, we have our reference number. And for example, we have a 13 times 14, no big deal. Now normally, and let's just always come back to our original example, 7 times 8. We already know that's 56, but how do we come up with it? Well, we look at our number that we're computing in relation to 10, both numbers, and see where they are in reference to 10. So this is a 3, and this is 2. The 8 is 2 units below 10, the 7 is 3 units below 10. And basically all we do is we either subtract 8 from 3 or 2 from, we subtract negative 3 from 8 or negative 2 from 7 to come up with our first digit, which is 5. And then we multiply the bottom, negative 3, negative 2, and we come up with 656. Same thing, we'll try another one, 7 times 9. 7 is 3 units below 10, 9 is 1 unit below 10. So we could either subtract 7 minus 1 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6 for our first digit, and then we will multiply across. 3, negative 1. Answer 63. Now when we go higher, then we just, let's see, we're going to use, let's just say 13 and 14. Okay, so where are we in relation to our reference number? We are plus 3 and we are plus 4. Now, when we went low, we cross subtracted. Now we could either cross add. Alright, so 14 plus 3 is 17, or 13 plus 4 is 17. Either way, we're going to get our first 2 digits of the number, 1, 7. Alright, and just to keep things tight, we're just going to add a 0 because our reference number is 0. It's not going to hurt or harm anything. We're just using a 0 because our reference number is 0 to keep our math structured. And then we will multiply 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, you don't even need to put that 0 there. This just represents our first 2-digit placement. Alright, but to make it come out really nice, 182. 182 is our answer. So if it was 100, we'd add 2 zeros. If it was 1,000, we'd add 3 zeros. But just to keep our structure there, and I'm just going to angle up because I don't think you guys caught all of, there we go. That, but we'll do another one at any rate, so it doesn't matter. But we looked at where 13 was in relation to 10. We put a 3 up high, 14 in relation to 4. So we, instead of going down, subtracting, we go up and we add 14 plus 3, 17, or 13 plus 4, it doesn't matter. Either way, we still would have come up with the 17. We add a 0. We multiply the 3 and the 4, we get 12 for our second row, answer 182. Okay, so we're going to do a lot more. Let's say, make sure our camera's steady. Let's say we're going to do, I don't know, 13 and 15. Alright, in relation, plus 3, and this is plus 5 above 10. 15 plus 3, we're going to get 18. We add a 0. Multiply the top, 15. 195 is our answer. So you see how good if we did 13 and 15, we'd be like 5 times 3 is 15, carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 1, carry the 1, 6, bring down the 0. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1, 195 is our answer. So we're taking a little bit longer, we're using a lot more space on our paper. Alright, the next question we'll make up is, let's say, I don't know, 16 times 16. Plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, 2, 2, 0. 16 plus 6. And then 1636. Answer is 256. Okay. 12 times 12 I already know it's a square, 144, but we can 12 times 12 plus 2, because we're 2 units above 10. We're 2 units above 10 here. 12 plus 2, 1, 4. We'll add a 0 to keep our everything in line. And 2 times 2 is 4. 144 is our answer. Okay. So make sure our angle. Sorry about that, I bumped the camera. 13 and 13. 13 times 13. They're both plus 3 above our reference number 10. 13 times, or I'm sorry, 13 plus 3 is 160. We'll add our 0 and then 0.9, because 3 times 3 equals 9. Answer is 169. You can pause this if it goes too fast. I don't really like playing with math a whole lot. I just like knocking it out. Let's say 13 times 19. Let's see how that works. 13 times 19 equals, 10 is our reference number, plus 3 and plus 9. Alright, whether we cross add, we're going to come up with 22. 2, 2, 0, 27, 2, 4, 7 is our answer. So we're really knocking these out, and it's a whole lot easier than 13 times 19 equals 9 times 3, 27, 2, 11, 0, 1 times 1. 1 times 3 is 1, and then 1, 2, 4, 7. It just takes up, I feel, takes up a lot more room, and you gotta use a lot more brain power. And when you're testing, you want to minimize brain power. You don't want to use up a whole lot of it. You don't want to be coming out of the test with a headache. Alright. 17 and 15. Plus 7, plus 5. 5, 11, 22. 3, 5. 255. So, how are we looking? We're looking at 9 minutes, coming up on 9 minutes, whatever. So, I'm just trying to think of some more possible combinations of teen numbers I could come up with. Did I do 12 and 14? I may have, but we'll do it again. Where are we in relation to 10? Plus 2, plus 4. 14. Plus 2, 1, 6, reference number 0. We'll add a 0 to keep our math right. And 2 times 4 is 8. Our answer is 168. So, that's pretty much it. The teen computation in a nutshell. If you have any questions, you can email me at kienothhomas@gmail.com. Please put math in the subject heading. I do offer tutoring. You can just email me if you want to set up some tutoring. And I guess that's pretty much it. Subscribe and thanks for watching. We'll have many more videos coming. Thanks and have a great day.